Hey YouTube, the Buggy Boy here. So this is my Kyosho RB6 two-wheel drive buggy. I got it as a roller this year, about maybe 3 to 4 months ago. And we're about done with the racing season this year, so it's about due for a rebuild. And we're gonna just give you guys a before of what this thing looked like, and then I'll make another video afterwards of what it's like when it's done. So this buggy, as I said, I got it as a roller about 3 months ago. I've been racing it almost every weekend and haven't had to replace hardly any of the plastic on it. The only thing I've really broken on it is one of the front shock mounts or shock pivot balls, and otherwise that's the only plastic that I've broken on this thing. Kyosho's plastic is awesome, and I mean, I bash this thing sometimes. I try to like take quad jumps and stuff from like across the track. It's been pretty well beat on. Right now in it, I used to have an old cheap ESC in it, but my motor was running really hot, so I ended up getting a Hobby Wing Quick Run. And this has been a really nice ESC for me. And then I have the Eco Power 17.5 motor in it, and the Savix 1258 TG. I think it's that $59 high-speed titanium gear servo. And I was running this 3D printed waterfall brace with a fan hole in it, and ended up, after I got this new ESC, I didn't need the motor fan, so I'm going to be putting the old waterfall brace back on, doing all that. And actually a friend of mine who got me into RC, who has a lot more tools than I do, him and I are going to be rebuilding this entire thing tomorrow and redoing all the wiring. As you can see, I'm not very good at that. I'm very bad at soldering. So we're going to take pretty much everything off of this thing, clean it up, put it all back together, and then I'll do an update video. But yeah, this is the before, and I'll see you guys later with the after. Thanks for watching.